Today we're standing by for the Mumbai edition of the CNN News 18 Town Hall, but let's get you some breaking news that's now coming in. This is to do with the Congress's government in Himachal Pradesh and the recent diktat that came to the fore from Vikramaditya Singh, a cabinet minister there, of aping the model in Uttar Pradesh of eateries and restaurants having to mandatorily display their names, addresses of proprietors. We're given to understand that Congress top brass has summoned Vikramaditya. He is here in the national capital. Pallavi, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Pallavi, do we know what transpired? What was it that the Congress top brass has asked Vikramaditya Singh to do?
So Vikramaditya Singh has been in the national capital, Pune, for the last 2 to 3 days, and what we are now being told by top Congress sources is just a little while back, the organization General Secretary, Mr. K.C. Venugopal, has summoned him, and he met him, and he also told him that this was a very bad decision, the timing of it was very wrong, and you should not have taken this decision. And therefore, he not only has there been a complete backtracking and a U-turn on a decision, apart from that, a warning has also been issued to him that never repeat this mistake again. Every time you take a big decision, one has to follow the party line, and the party line is not to do something which the BJP is being criticized for. It was a brief meeting in Pune, but that was essentially the messaging which has now gone out to the PWD Minister, Mr. Vikramaditya Singh.
Pallavi, any decision that has been conveyed by the Congress top brass that this particular move or the announcement that came to the fore needs to be withdrawn? Because it's not just Vikramaditya Singh, the Chief Minister too came out and defended this decision, going on to say that it was a consultative process that was taken in consultation with municipal bodies as well.
Yes, Poonam, you're absolutely right. This was actually a decision which was taken by a committee which was set up, and this committee had both the BJP as well as Congress members. But what went wrong really was that even before the committee had taken a decision, the decision was kind of announced, giving out an impression that this was a decision which had been taken by the Himachal government. Actually, this is pending more consultations, it's pending talking to more and more stakeholders. What the Himachal government has said is that there are many complaints that, we don't even know who the vendors are. They seem to be coming from outside. They all need to be registered. And when you ask for a registration, it is not that you're asking them to display the boards. You're only telling us to give them the details. They come, they sell their product, and then they go back. That was the only thing which is what was asked for. But the messaging which seemed to have gone out wrong by the first soundbite of Vikramaditya Singh was that a board would have to be put up every time a vendor had put up on sale any of his products.
Right, so that order, the controversial one, the backtracking of it, that seems to have put the Congress in a tight spot. But Pallavi, as far as this decision goes, this also comes at a time when, if we can jog our memory of our viewers, is that there was a controversy in Shimla over a mosque, that being illegal. The allegation in that case was also that there are a lot of people that live in and around that mosque who don't belong there, who are outsiders, who do not have the requisite documents, but have opened up shops and businesses there.
Yes, and we have to understand that Himachal has 96% of the Hindu population. So these are the sentiments which matter a lot, whether it's for the Congress, whether it's for the BJP. And at that point of time, the vendors also had complained. In fact, the Vyapar Kendra had shut shop. That plus Vikramaditya Singh's decision both actually go hand in hand. And the timing, I think, is something which has really hurt the Congress. Because we all heard the reactions which came in from the Congress party against the Yogi Adityanath, the government's decision. Then the BJP said, when you do it, it's fine. When we do it, it's considered wrong.
Right. Pallavi, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. Let's listen into this reaction coming to the fore from Himachal Pradesh's Cabinet Minister Vikramaditya Singh after he met with K.C. Venugopal and other Congress leaders here in the national capital.
बातें कही उसको अलग पर्सपेक्टिव में देखा गया आज जो मुलाकात हुई इसमें क्या बातचीत आपकी हुई
अभी तो वैसे तो ज़्यादा तो पार्टी के संबंधित बात हुई है कि किस तरीके से हमें आगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एक्टिविटीज़ बढ़ानी है